Hi, in this video I'll show you how to don and doff an N95 respirator. Before donning or putting on an N95 respirator, you will need to conduct a Maskfit test to find the appropriate mask that best suits your face shape and structure. At Brampton First Aid CPR, we provide qualitative mask fit testing. To register, please visit our website and book your mask fit test today. The mask fit test should be done every 2 years or earlier if there is any significant changes to your face shape or size. So let's get started. First, we need to start with performing hand hygiene. Then, you are going to find the appropriate N95 mask based on your mask fit test, which will also be indicated on your mask fit card. Now, hold the respirator in one hand with the front of the respirator resting on your palm. Depending on the type and model of your mask, the metal nose piece, which may or may not be visible, should be oriented near the fingertips. Next, identify the top and bottom straps. Flip both of the straps over from above your palms to the back side of your palms. Ensure that the straps are hanging down below your hand now and that they are not tangled or twisted. Depending on the respirator that you have, you may need to adjust the opening for your specific face shape. Just adjust. Take the respirator and place it over your nose, mouth, and under the chin. Hold the respirator in place with one hand. Use your free hand to place the straps on your head. First, take the bottom strap of the respirator and place it around the bottom of the head, just below the ears. Then, take the top strap of the respirator and place it just past the top of your head, above the ears. Make sure the straps are not crossing or are overly twisted. Adjust to comfort appropriately. To ensure a proper seal of the respirator, start at the nose area, in the center, pressing both index and middle finger on either side of your nose. Work your way outward on each side. Now, perform the seal test. This is performed to check if you have donned the respirator correctly and that it does not leak air. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for this part because it can vary between brands. First, place both hands over the respirator. Then, take a sharp breath in and make sure the respirator is sealing over the face during inhalation. Keep both hands on the respirator and breathe out. Make sure you feel for air leakage around the nose piece and around the perimeter of the respirator. If leaking air around the nose piece, try readjusting and press along the metal bridge towards your cheeks. Note, avoid pinching at the nose as this can cause a pocket that can inhibit a proper seal. Check and recheck the seal. Make sure the respirator is not being affected by any piercings, facial hair, or glasses, which could prevent a proper seal. If the respirator still leaks after this, you may need a different size or type of respirator. Now, to doff and take off the mask. Two things you want to remember is that you don't want to touch the front of the mask because it's considered contaminated, and that you can't touch the straps of the mask because these are considered clean. First, perform hand hygiene. Then, you will take your hands and you will remove the bottom strap by pulling it over the head. Then you will take the top strap and pull it over the head, being careful not to touch the front or sides of the mask, and gently move the mask away from your face. Now, you can dispose or reuse the mask depending on your facility's protocol, and then perform hand hygiene. So that wraps up this video on how to don and doff the N95 respirator. It is important to make sure your Maskfit card is up to date. You can book for your next Maskfit test on our website. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Stay safe and we'll see you in the next one.